On this video today, I'm going to show you a targeted traffic source that you can use to make money with CPA marketing as a complete beginner without any skills and without any experience. This method is very simple, so make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I'll show you everything that you need to know about this method. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The first step is that you have to create an account on CPA Group. If you don't want CPA Group, you can create an account on Max Bounty, CPA Lead, OGS, or any CPA network that you know. In this case, I'm using CPA Group. So once you create your accounts and log in on CPA Group, what you have to do is that you have to come right here. Once you are here, you are going to click on Offer Tools. Once you click on Offer Tools, you are going to select My Offers. Once you select My Offers, you are going to see a page like this. So now what you have to do is that you have to find an offer to promote. There are a lot of different offers on this platform that you can promote to earn money from home, but the offers, they are geo-specific, which means the offers, they are allowed in specific countries. So you don't have to promote the offers to any country that you like. So you have to look at where the offer is allowed so that you can promote it in that country. As you can see, these are offers that you can promote to people in the United Kingdom. You can see all these offers. You have to promote them to people who live in the United Kingdom so that they can take a specific action for you to make money. Some of the actions can be to enter a mobile number or an email so that you can get paid. In some cases, your visitors are required to enter their credit card details so that you can get paid. So now what we are going to be doing is that we are going to search for one of the countries that has offers with higher payout, so that we can promote them and then earn a lot of money on this platform. So you are going to scroll upwards. Once you scroll upwards, you can see country. Click on it. Once you click on it, you can see a lot of different countries that you can select and then get offers to promote. You can see a whole lot of different countries that you can select and then get offers to promote. You can see many of them. So now what we are going to be doing is that we are going to be searching for Australia. We want to get offers in Australia, so you can search for it. If you want, you can type it right here. Once you type it, you can see Australia. Click on it. Once you click on it, you can see the offers are loading, so we are going to wait for them to load. As you can see, these are offers that you can promote to people who live in Australia. If you promote these offers to a different country apart from Australia, those who click on your link, they are not going to get access to the offer. They are going to get access to different offers. So what you have to do is that you have to target people who live in Australia so that you can get them to click on your link and then enter a specific action so that you can be paid. So now what we are going to be doing is that we are going to select one of these offers so that we can promote it and then earn money on the platform. We are going to be using a paid traffic. So you have to select an offer with a higher payout so that you can get a higher return on your investment. If you select an offer with lower payout, you are not going to earn profit. So make sure you select an offer with a higher payout. As I scroll, you can see this offer right here. It has the highest payout. The payout is $10.27. So anytime you get a lead, this is the amount that you are going to earn per every lead that you get. You can see the offer is claim your Aldi $500 voucher now. The requirement is pin submit, so it means your potential visitors have to enter their mobile numbers for you to get paid. They don't need to buy anything. All that they need to do is that they have to enter their mobile numbers so that you can get paid. The offer is allowed on Android. It is allowed on desktop. So the people that you'll be targeting in Australia, they have to be using either Android device or desktop so that they can qualify to win the offer and you are going to be paid. If you get people in Australia to click on your link and they are not using these devices, they are not qualified to win the Aldi $500 voucher, so you are not going to get paid. So what you have to do is that you have to target people who use Android device and desktop. Once you have selected the offer, the next step is that you have to get your affiliate link. To get your affiliate link, you have to click on the offer. Once you click on the name of the offer, you can see these are the details of the offer. You can see this is your affiliate link. This is the payout. If you want, you can click right here and then select any domain that you want. They have a lot of different tracking domains, so if you want, you can select any of them. In this case, I'm going to select this one right here. As you can see, that has been done. So you can see this is the requirement. So your potential visitors are required to enter their mobile numbers so that they can stand the chance of winning $500 Aldi voucher and you are going to be paid. So now the next step is that we are going to build a landing page so that we can promote our affiliate link and then get people who live in Australia to click on our link. So the next step is that you are going to come on Google and then search for sobi.com. Just search for Sobi. Once you search for it, you are going to click on the first website right here. So you can see dash.sobi.buy. So click on that. Once you click on it, you are going to see a page like this. You have to create an account so that you can use it to build a landing page. I have already created an account, so I'm going to log in and then show you step by step on how to use this platform to build a free landing page. So let me just log in right. Once you create your accounts and log in, you are going to see a page like this. So now what you have to do is that you have to create your landing page. To create your landing page, you are going to click right here, create. Once you click on create, you are going to select page. Once you select page, you are going to see a page like this. So now what you have to do is that you have to click right here, add block. Once you click on add block, you are going to select button or card. Click on that. Once you click on it, you are going to see a page like this. So now you have a lot of different options that you can select. If you want your landing page to appear simple like this, you are going to select this option. If you want to add an image, you are going to select this one, and you can see the other two options. In this case, we are going to select the second option. So click on it. Once you click on it, you can see URL. This is where you are going to paste your affiliate link, and this is where you are going to paste the title of the offer. And you can see right here, you can upload the image of the offer right here. So what we have to do is that we have to go back on CPA Grip so that we can get the details of the offer and then paste them right here. Once you come back on CPA Grip, you are going to copy your affiliate link. So click right here, copy. Once you have copied your affiliate link, you are going to come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you can see the image. You are going to download the image of the offer. So you have to come back on CPA Grip. Once you come back, you're going to place your pointer on the image of the offer. Once you place your pointer on it, right click. Once you right click, you are going to select save images. Once you click on save images, you are going to click right here, save. Once you save the image, the next step is that you are going to copy the title of the offers. Just highlight and copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you are going to come back and then paste the title right here. Just delete this, paste the title of the offer right here. Once that is done, you are going to upload the image of the offer. So click on it. Once you click on it, you are going to see a page like this. Click right here, select files to upload. Once you click on it, you are going to select your image. Click on open. As you can see, that has been done. Click right here, upload. As you can see, that has been done. You can see it right here. So now what you have to do is that you have to publish your landing page. To publish your landing page, you are going to click on this mark right here. Once you click on it, you are going to see a page like this. Click on publish. Once you click on publish, you can see your landing page has been published. This is the link to your landing page, so you can copy it and then test it on a new tab. So let me just copy it. Once you copy it, you are going to come on a new tab, paste it right here. Once you paste it, let's test it to see how it will appear. As you can see, this is how our landing page is going to appear to anyone who will click on our link. You can see it right here. So now the next step is that we are going to promote this landing page so that we can get people in Australia to click on it and then enter their mobile numbers so that they can stand the chance of winning Aldi $500 voucher. Once they enter their mobile numbers, whether they win the offer or not, we are going to be paid $10.27. So the next step is that we are going to come on this website, trafficfans.com. Trafficfans.com. This is one of the websites that you can buy traffic at a cheap cost. We are going to be buying targeted traffic from Australia so that we can get the right people to enter their mobile numbers for us to earn money on CPA Grip. This website, the traffic is very cheap, so you have to create an account so that you can buy traffic on this website. To create an account, what you have to do is that you have to scroll upwards. Once you scroll upwards, you are going to click on this sign right here. You are going to enter your email address. You are going to enter the solution right here, 4 times 3. So you are going to give an answer right here so that they will know that you are not a bot. They want to get real people who register on the website and then buy traffic. So make sure you enter 4 times 3, enter the solution right here. The figures changes, so in your case you might see a different figure. If you see a different figure, just enter the solution right here. Once you enter the solution, the next step is that you are going to click on register so that you can create your free accounts. Once you create your accounts and log in, you are going to see a page like this. As you can see, this is how the platform looks like. So what you have to do is that you have to buy traffic. To buy traffic, you are going to click right here, order now. Once you click on order now, you are going to scroll down so that you can buy a package. You can see the first one is organic traffic from Google. The price is $30. The second one is premium geo and niche targeted traffic. The price is $17. When you scroll down, you can see cheap website traffic. The price is $7. If you want to buy, that is the amount that you are going to pay. You can see right here, the second one is active visitors. The price is $40. As I scroll, you can see the next one is adult website traffic. The price is $17. So when you scroll down, you can see the next one is mobile web traffic. the price is $25. There are a lot of different traffic categories that you can buy. You can see the last one is trafficfan.pro. You are going to be paying $20. In this case, what we are going to be doing is that we are going to select the targeted traffic. We want to target a specific country so that we can get specific people to take action for us to make money. You are going to select this option. To pay for the traffic, you are going to click right here, order now. Once you click on order now, you are going to see a page like this. Just scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see if you pay $17, you are going to be getting 5,000 visitors to your landing page. If you pay $30, you are going to be getting 10,000 visitors to your website. If you pay $55, you are going to be getting 20,000 visitors to your website. So what you have to do is that you have to specify the amount of traffic that you want and then pay for the price. In this case, we are going to select 5,000 visitors. We want to test the platform. If we get results, we can then select the other packages. So you are going to select the first one, 5,000 visitors. Once that is done, you are going to select the country that you are targeting. So click on it. Once you click on it, you can see different countries that you can target. You can see a lot of different countries that you can select. You can see many of them. In this case, we are targeting Australia. So you are going to click on Australia. Once you click on it, you can see the niche. You are going to select the category that you want. So click on it. You can see they have a lot of different categories that you can select. You can see a whole lot of them. If you are targeting affiliate marketing audience, you are going to select that. Artificial intelligence, you can select that. Astrology, you can select that. Any niche that you are targeting, you are going to select it so that you can get the right people to click on your link and then take the action for you to make money. You can see a whole lot of them. If you want gifts, you can select that and many others. So just select any of them that you want. In this case, we are going to select all. We want anyone from Australia to click on our link. So you are going to select all. Once that is done, you can see delivery speed. How many days do you want them to deliver the traffic to you? If you want 30 days, you can select that. If you want 1 day, you can select that. 2 days, you can select that. 3 days, you can select that. In this case, I'm going to select 2 days. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. You can see URL. This is where you are going to paste the link to your landing page. So you are going to come back on sobi.com. Once you come back, you are going to copy the link to your landing page. Once you copy it, you are going to come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you can see note. You can paste the description of the offer right here. So you are going to go back on CPA Grip so that you can copy and paste the description of the offer right here. Once you come back on CPA Grip, you are going to highlight and then copy the description of the offer. Once you copy it, you are going to come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once you paste the description, the next step is that you are going to select the payment method. If you want to use PayPal, you can select that. Bitcoin, Visa, you can select that. So any of these payment methods that you want, you can select it and then make your payment. It's very simple. So what you have to do is that you have to make payment so that you can get targeted traffic to your landing page. So make sure you make your payment so that you can buy the traffic on this website. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.